The first day of school in times of coronavirus. These 6-year-olds waited for more than 2 months to start their education. The Iraqi government lifted the lockdown in September, but public schools only reopened this week.
It was supposed to start earlier, but they delayed it because of the large number of infections. Yes, the malls and the shops reopened earlier, but the number of infections was very high. Now the numbers have started to go down. Hopefully the pandemic will go away soon and we will try to catch up on schooling.
The pandemic has further widened pre-existing disparities in education. Private schools catering to wealthy students have largely stuck to the academic calendar, while public schools like these stopped teaching for 8 months. Budget cuts due to declining oil prices have made matters worse.
For sure, there's been a negative effect. The pandemic has delayed school attendance, and in addition to that, the budget is basically zero. Private schools have better health measures than government schools, and also the number of students is smaller. They have better financial capabilities.
Even though public schools are back in session, many parents will continue to play a big part in their children's education. Students will attend class only 1 day per week and have to study at home on the remaining school days. But compared to many other countries, Iraq lacks the telecommunications infrastructure to support e-learning. The Education Ministry says it will launch applications to facilitate online classes. But while many wait for such plans to materialize, Ahmed and Ayman, both in their final year of high school, say that's of little help.
They say there will be online classes, but it won't be successful. The internet is very bad. We cannot study like this. Our only choice is to take private tutoring classes. We can't depend on the government schools.
They already missed school during much of last year, when classes were cancelled due to widespread anti-government protests. Now the pandemic risks shattering their hopes for university.
The good universities won't admit us. Then we'll have to go to private college and pay millions of Iraqi dinars. We can't afford that.
Iraq's financial and health crises have cast uncertainty over the country's future, but at least for now, this new generation of students are enjoying a return to a routine that resembles normal life. Simona, Foltyn, Al Jazeera, Baghdad.